everyone, students. Hope you all are doing very great. So today I'm going to teach you. Today the topic is grammar upsarg and pratyay. Okay, upsarg and pratyay. Upsarg means in English we are saying prefix, and pratyay, the meaning is in English suffix. Okay, so let me tell you the meaning. What is this upsarg? Upsarg क्या है? What is prefix? So this one prefix is like upsarg. जैसे जो शब्दांश शब्द के पूर्व, यानी जो शब्दांश शब्द के पूर्व जुड़कर उसके अर्थ में परिवर्तन होता है, उसे उपसर्ग कहते हैं। जैसे कोई भी वर्ड है, यानी यहाँ क्या कहा गया है? शब्दांश। शब्दांश मीन्स कि कोई वर्ड है जिसके पूर्व में, यानी पूर्व मीन्स उसके पहले कोई भी शब्द का प्रयोग होता है। If any words you are using, so the two after using before one word is there. Okay, so that meaning is different. Okay. So that meaning is different. Like let me tell you that I just one instance. Like this is the word. The word is chor. Meaning is soti. Now इसमें हम लगाएंगे जैसे और एक वर्ड में ऐड करती हूँ. So I will add here another काम. Okay, so काम. So इधर भी क्या? This word is going to काम चोर. Okay, काम चोर. So काम चोर is totally is मतलब काम का चोर है, is not at all doing work like that. Type of the meaning will completely change. Now another meaning I will tell you, like कानून. Okay, कानून. So this meaning is legal. Okay, legal. The meaning is a legal. If I am adding before some more word like gad. Gad I added here, and again see the word is completely meaning has been changed. Gad कानून. So कानून, because before the कानून is there, it is illegal. When I add gad, this gad कानून is illegal. So this is called, यानी कि जो शब्दांश है इस शब्द के पूर्व मतलब इसके पहले जो भी हम शब्द का इस्तेमाल, if we are using before any word, so that meaning will change completely. Before whatever the meaning is there, so when you add this prefix, that is called prefix. This is only prefix. So इसी को हम बोलते हैं prefix. So if you add that, completely meaning will change. उसी को कहते हैं जैसा शब्दांश शब्द के पूर्व जुड़कर उसके अर्थ में परिवर्तन होता है, the meaning will change. That is only called prefix, यानी उपसर्ग. Okay. Now we have observed some kinds of upsarg is there. So we have so many types, but we will learn this. We can know this Sanskrit ke upsarg means like some Sanskrit words in you know, or in Hindi you will get not at all Hindi language. In Hindi we are getting some Arabic mixed are there, Urdu mixed are there, English also mixed are there, and also Sanskrit. These all languages mixed in a Hindi. So now we will see this one, like संस्कृत के उपसर्ग में क्या होता है. जैसे मैंने यहाँ संस्कृत वर्ड I have written like अखंड, okay, अनाथ, अज्ञान, correct. Now you are saying कि how like now here which is the उपसर्ग here. Now if I am just see singly I will write खंड. खंड Okay. Now I will add here akhand. Akhand means word. So now nath. So nath. Nath means, see this one I added. Nath means any like Swami. Okay, like God also you are saying. So if I will add here an the meaning has completely changed. Anath. Anath means orphan. So this is orphanage type. Gyan. So Gyan, if you see, Gyan word only intelligent. If I add here means Agyan. So it's not comes in a intelligence, is comes in a completely no knowledge. Okay, यहाँ पे अज्ञान है. And now here some Urdu के शब्द, Urdu के उपसर्ग. Urdu उपसर्ग how it is there? Now it is see जोर. जोर word is a strong. The जोर meaning is strong. If I add come and जोर, kamjor means weak. So that is totally entirely it has changed. When you see this jor means a strong person. Okay, if I add there come means if I see one single sentence, if I am adding, the meaning is completely changed. Jor is that is good, strong. If I add here before kamjor, so it is completely, this word is a weak. Weak में चला गया. So this completely the meaning has changed. This is the meaning has completely changed. That only called the upsarg. Now another word akal. Akal. So akal means क्या होता है? Wisdom. Who have more wisdoms? Like come. If I add come akal. So there is no wisdoms. Now mani. Where here? Mani. If I add, if you see mani, if you use this one, be, or also be also, so imani, iman means honest, okay, iman. If I will add be, so mani means dishonest, correct? Now like that, this word is bechara. Now one more in Hindi words are there. Adha. So this word paka. Okay. Khila. Khila means what? Right. Okay. Khila means right. Or this khila means not right. Is a closer. And paka means right. So when the right, it is a right is there. Then if I add here adha, I mean ad paka. So then it is half right. Khila means the completely khila word it's a blossom. If I am adding here ad, so it is a half khila. Again, some more words is there. Pet. Pet means stomach. Dhar. If I add dhar, pet means it's full stomach. So this is the upsarg. Now we will come to the no pratyay. Pratyay means what? Like pratyay means is suffix. Okay. Suffix means जो शब्दांश शब्द या वस्तु की अंग में जुड़कर नए शब्दों का निर्माण करते हैं, उसे प्रत्यय कहते हैं. So now, like जो शब्दांश, which word, the word is the first, which word is the शब्द या वस्तु means उसकी अंग में जुड़कर, जैसे कि you can say some more example here. Always we are seeing the first we need to add that word. Any word will comes means in prefix, the meaning will completely change. In here what will happen in suffix, the word will comes in a next. Okay, next means like Sheila. Sheila. Okay, I am writing Sheila. Sheila is there. The sound is coming. Which one is? The sound is R. For that only it is Sheila. Sheila इसको कहते हैं. That is only प्रत्यय. Okay. Then again you can say Rashila. Rasila. 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 Now here the which word will come? Which word will, which new word? Here what they said, जब वस्तु के अंग में जुड़कर नए so नए शब्द का निर्माण होता है. So here also नए उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? प्रत्यय कहते हैं. So that is which is produced new words. Like here produced one word. So here one more words here will produced like Rasila. Rasila what happened? That comes Ila. Ila. So this is the new words are producing. That is called, it is suffix. Now I will say Milawat. Okay, Milawat. Milawat. So the word will come Awat. Awat. Okay, like Ghabrahat. Then again you can say Burahat. Burahat. So the next word will come. See, always children, you remember pronunciation, how the pronunciation is coming in the pratyay time. Sometimes not suffix time only, because the new word should be produced. Like here, they will ask in the examination, we will ask Rashida. Rashida का प्रत्यय क्या है? Then you can say that you have to produce the pronouns and produce the ila. Right. Now the Gurrahat. Gurrahat. So then what sound is coming? Ahat. Okay. The new word is ahat. Okay. The new word is ahat. So then you can say so many words. Ghabrahat, like that. So now one more. So I hope you all understood this chapter, Upsarg and Pratyay, yani prefix and suffix. Hope you all understood. So I'm gonna wind up my session here. Have a great day. Thank you. Stay safe.